Probably the easiest thing you'll ever do is this right here. Watch your eyes. Now the second thing you'll do is real easy. Not this here, but this one. Boom. Perfect fit. 18 millimeter. And then right below it, right here. Got it? The first thing you'll do is you'll need something like this, unless you're real strong. Alright, you want to pop it out of place. Just gently kind of push down on it. 1, 2, and 3, and you'll be able to do that. Okay, once this is almost out, what you want to do is you want to take your sensor off. If you have a newer BMW, and all you do is just work it like this, watch. Up, and then down. Up, and then down. And gently pull it off like that. Okay, there you go. As you can see, I'm trying to get the old brakes out. They're really too easy to do, and look at how much life I have on these brakes. They're still fine. I'm gonna take my old brake, place it there, take my C-clamp, and push the caliper back in. Okay? Okay, once it's back in, you take it off. And as you can see, your caliper's pushed in. Now put your new brakes in. See how easy that is? Okay. All right. Push them in there. Now we're gonna put this one in. So they should really just slide right in. So that one's in, kind of wiggle it in, push it in there, and put this one in. They go right in, real easy. See that? And then you just put it back on. You're done. See that? Okay. Real easy. Okay, so once you're done with that, don't forget your sensor. Put it back in, like so. And push it right back in. Because if you don't, you're gonna have a check engine light on forever.